Santos, nag-retire mo di jay Beneco, nagtrabaho dahil di ko 34 years, 33 years sa kaya nagrugi mo na the audit examiner ko nami audit examiner is lowest rank diay jay the office hanggang naabot ko di nagbali na mga department manager for internal audit, in the consumer services, in charge in immigrating, and then corporate services, the makikinig accounting, and then the last, before nag-retire, early retirement in 2018, naging administrator at DJ BSTDC, namin yung Beneco Skills Training and Development na accredited the TESDA. Yung naka-base si school is based in Gagaming, Kabatan. So there, I have 3 children also. Alolo. 37 na jay eldest doon and 33 na jay youngest ng may certificate ako. Yan to yung 45 gayang 23 years ko nila. Thank you.
Okay, palakpakan natin. Sige po, pwede na natin ihulog sa ating